It's the weekend, you know what that means. We're gonna fly the drone today. I actually found this abandoned building here, so this is a nice little nook. It's always like the sweet spots, you know? You just gotta go out and be adventurous sometimes to find the spots that nobody talks about, you know? There's something so special about just being out here and allowing nature to kind of talk to you in a creative sense. So, but now I'm finished and I'm
It's my pre-50th birthday. I'm out with my niece and my daughter, having a good time out the outlet.
high or something.
Bye.
Do you like these?
What you getting,
Yeah, I think I'm gonna just stick to what I know.
What? The turtle burger? One of those ratings.
That looks so good. No, it's versatile. Yesterday was really nice. I went out with my cousin. I spent the entire day with her. We went out for lunch. We went for a really nice walk. And then we got some froyo. I didn't do too much, right? I got a little cup, of course, the frozen yogurt, and I topped it with some cheesecake, some cookie dough, and like some thinly sliced almonds. Can you explain to me why I have a chipped tooth? Which is why I'm talking like I have a lisp, because my tongue keeps slicing against this chipped tooth. And it's my fault. It's my fault because I should have gotten an appointment with the dentist, but I was like pushing it off. So now I'm in pain. Not like root, thank God it didn't touch like the root, but I'm in pain because my tongue is like irritated on the side, and I'm not going to show you because I think that's kind of nasty. And we're not at that friend level yet. It's baby steps. But am I annoyed? Yes. Because again, this hurts. But we went to the beach today and I love the beach. I love the beach. I love beach towns. And not like I have a special place in my heart for tropical beaches, but for East Coast, Northeast Coast, it's my childhood. It's my childhood. I love the beach. I love the vibe. Love the small town-esque. But every time I'm there, my mind just clears up and I can think, and I just have such an appreciation for just for everything. But I took my Mini 3 drone out for the first time at the beach. And when I tell you, these people walked around like they have never seen something fly. which is probably true because it's a retirement area. So you're dealing with, you know, a lot of senior citizens. But like, we've had people like just stop quite literally in their tracks and just like stare up at this drone, like just, and we're, meanwhile, like me and my cousin and my aunt were just like taking photos and capturing like the scenery and all. But these people, I'm telling you, there was a guy with his phone and he was just like just, I was kind of concerned and I felt bad, but at the same time it was like really cool to, I don't know, just like, especially like as a Black woman, like show that, you know, we're in the tech industry, like we be here, we're certified. Like it was nice. It was nice. But even on the drive to the beach, for whatever reason, I was feeling so nauseous. Like I almost thought I had to ask to pull over. I have no idea what that was, but that's probably the reason I don't like car trips, don't like car rides, don't like road trips. I get so like motion sickness, car sickness. I can't be in a car for that long. Meanwhile, planes, trains, completely fine. But I have such like not a head cold, but it's just like dizziness. I was miserable on the car right there to the beach, but it wasn't as bad coming back. I forced myself to take a nap and it was a good one at that. But yeah, now we're home and I'm tired and I feel like my weekend went away. It was a good weekend nonetheless though. It was a great weekend. One more thing I wanted to add too is like, so far so good with like posting consistently. I'm actually getting like a really good kick out of it. And not for reactions, but just like, I found myself learning something new every day as far as like cinematic features. And I still have a long way to go. Trust me, I still have a very, very long way to go, but yeah, I'm proud of myself. The motion is there, so we're just gonna keep it pushing. We're gonna continue this whole bit. I'm gonna continue to get better, and you're gonna continue to be more consistent with like clicking on my videos and sharing and commenting and liking. You know, this is a collaborative effort. I don't know if you know this, but yeah, this is collaborative, you know. Appreciate ya. I appreciate ya. I'm actually shocked that my hair lasted this long. I can be such a tomboy and just like not care about the maintenance of like a good silk press, but it's been a week and it's been a strong week at that. And this is with rain and snow and all that. I've just been very, very good. Is this what they talk about when it's like your frontal lobe develops? Like, I just feel like such a woman, you know, taking care of my stuff. Mind you, I'm still rough. Oh gosh, I'm still rough around the edges. Don't get it twisted. But there's improvement. Like, look into my eyes. I tried to do my makeup today, and there's only one eyeliner. Do you see that? Ridiculous. But like I said, I'm trying out here, man. I'm trying out here. And just like that, we're back home from work. Only thing that sucks is that this place, when the sun is up or when the sun is setting, gets really good lighting. But by the time I get home, it's like, you know, the sun's gone. There's still some light, decent light. But it'd really be nice to get the skyline as the sun's setting one of these days. But now that we're home, I think we're going to rearrange the place. I trust that you're going to help. Yes? No? Maybe so? This is my current setup in my studio. All right? I have the couch right here, kind of breaks up from the living room space and the kitchen space, and then I have my desk where I do all my magic, and then my bed's over there. But I'm thinking, actually, how about I just show you instead of tell you? What do you guys think? So I got my work desk over there. Quite literally just flipped the couch and broke up the living room space like that. I still have the window open so you can kind of see the sky, which is nice. Got some my kitchen space here. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm liking it. That ain't bad. That ain't bad. If you're asking me, which you're probably not, that ain't bad. I don't think that's terrible. Alright guys, that's all I have for you this week. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, like, share, subscribe again, double like, triple like, then comment again on how much you love me and how much you can't wait that I post again. All in that same order, also and subscribe. And I'll make sure to see you next week.